Hello, everyone. My name is Carlos, and I am a customer success advisor at HME. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this episode, I'll walk you through how to proactively manage equipment health and keep your systems running smoothly across all your locations. Today, we'll look at how to shift from reacting to issues to staying ahead of them by using the tools and insights available in the HME Cloud. At the end of the day, strong equipment health really comes down to visibility, proactive management, and consistent operational habits. By using the HME Cloud and applying these best practices, your teams can work together to reduce downtime, improve reliability, and keep things running at a high level across every location. So here is the cloud homepage. Here's what you'll see once you remote in. So the HME Cloud provides centralized visibility. It enables operators and managers to monitor system health across all locations in real time. This allows teams to quickly identify issues and ensure consistency across the entire environment. Now we will remote into a live base. So this is what the staff will see on the user interface. And to simplify decision making, system health is categorized into three clear statuses. Green means the system is operating as expected with no action required. A yellow pin indicates caution, and that means proactive troubleshooting is recommended to prevent escalation. Red signals a critical issue requiring immediate attention, and the location to engage with their support team as soon as they can. So this structure enables teams to quickly prioritize and take appropriate action without needing deep technical analysis. One of the key advantages of the platform is proactive alerting. These alerts surface potential issues early, allowing teams to address them before they impact operations. Acting on the yellow stage is especially important. It helps minimize downtime, it reduces disruptions, and maintains a consistent guest experience. So HME delivers quarterly updates that include feature enhancements, system improvements, and performance optimizations. It is important to note that these enhancements are proactively managed and deployed behind the scenes by the HME team to ensure a seamless experience for the operators. Staying on the latest firmware ensures locations benefit from several different things, including improved stability and reliability, enhanced functionality, continued alignment with evolving operational needs. Overall, maintaining the current firmware is a key component of long-term system performance and overall operational health. There are a few best practices that drive long-term performance. EMA coverage ensures all locations are enrolled in EMAs, and this helps maintain continuous support coverage while optimizing cost efficiency. Regular cleaning of the equipment is critical to preserving performance and extending a system's lifespan. To initiate or expand EMA coverage, you can partner with your regional sales rep or corporate account manager for guidance and enrollment support. And visit our website to learn best practices on system cleanliness, along with other frequently asked questions to support ongoing operational consistency. These are simple but highly impactful steps that help protect your overall investment. Strong equipment health comes down to a combination of visibility, proactive management, and consistent operational discipline. By leveraging the HME Cloud and following these best practices, your teams can work together to reduce downtime, improve reliability, and maintain a high-performing system across all locations. Thank you for watching this episode, and we appreciate your continued partnership and commitment to delivering a great experience across all your locations.